In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create hyperlinks in Google Sheets using 3 different and straightforward methods. Whether you're linking to an external website, another document, or even a specific point within your spreadsheet, integrating clickable links can enhance how you navigate and share your data. Let's explore each method in detail, making it simple and accessible for everyone. Let's dive into our first method, using the right-click menu. This is a really intuitive way to add links, especially if you're someone who prefers working directly within the sheet itself. Start by selecting the cell where you want your hyperlink to appear. Simply right-click on this cell and you'll see an option that says Insert Link. Clicking on this will open up a dialog box where you can type or paste the URL that you want to direct to. This feature also allows you to search for websites and even link to other sheets or specific cells within the current spreadsheet. Once you're all set with your URL in place, just hit Apply, and voila, your hyperlink is ready to use. If you prefer a more formulaic approach, our second method involves using a simple formula to create your hyperlink. Begin by clicking on the cell where you'd like the link to appear. You'll need to type out a specific formula, which is our hyperlink URL link file label. Here, replace URL with the actual web address you want to link to. For instance, https www.google.com. Next, link/label is where you customize the text that you want displayed in your cell, such as Go to Google. This text will show up as the clickable link. After typing in your formula, just press Enter, and your hyperlink will be created right there in your sheet. Now, let's move on to our third method, which uses both the toolbar and a handy keyboard shortcut. This method offers a bit of flexibility because you can either highlight specific text within a cell or select the entire cell to be hyperlinked. Once selected, look for the Insert Link button on your toolbar, which resembles a chain link icon. Another efficient way to access the link dialog is through a keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+K if you're on Windows or Chrome OS, and Cmd+K if you're on a Mac. Once you've opened the dialog box through either method, paste your URL, click on Apply, and there you go, a functioning hyperlink ready to use. These 3 methods are effective and provide different levels of integration, depending on your comfort and preference. Whether you're looking for ease of use or a formatted approach, Google Sheets has you covered. Try them out and see which one fits best into your workflow. Happy linking!